So yes, guys, we are finally talking about the best Poppy Playtime character of all time, Killy Willy. Don't mind my hair, I just got out the shower, but yes, my targets have finally got in the new McFarlane Toys Poppy Playtime figures. Go check out the videos on Kissy Missy and the Doctor, I've already talked about them, but now we are going to talk about Killy Willy. I also, what is this guy? I think he's a fan-made character that then they just, made into an actual character, and now he's all over merchandising. I don't know who this dude is. We are obviously going to unbox him, take a look at him, compare him to some other figures, go over all his accessories and everything. And yeah, so this is the third to last figure. Obviously, we know who the last figure is, but we gotta save the best for last. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Anyways, I'm gonna waste no time. If you guys like Killy Willy, you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all that here, and let's open them up. First of all, like we always do, let's take a look at the box. You have his artwork right here, kind of looking like Slender Man, and then on the back you have more of his artwork. You know, he has a really cool design, but it's just who is this guy? Oh, these figures smell like Sharpies. I don't have scissors. Okay, let me get scissors. So I deadass just searched my whole house and couldn't find scissors, so we're gonna use the next best thing. Nail clippers. This is not gonna work.
Okay guys, so while I try to open this figure with nail clippers, I just want to give a big shout out to my friend Ryo. This guy is making goated edits on TikTok. Make sure to go follow it.
But yeah, guys, we got Killy Willy out of the box. Let's go over to the review station and take a look at him. Alright, guys, so here he is taking a look at Killy Willy himself. First of all, this figure is really cool. No hate to Killy Willy, because I really think his design is awesome. But I just think it's so weird that we finally got a new, really cool line of figures, and they decided to put him in. This is like getting FNAF AR figures from Funko, honestly. But at least he still is really cool. Like I said, taking a look at his face, I really like the whole eyes things. I feel like this character could have just done the normal eyes, but I still think it's cool. He's got these crazy teeth. He's got eyes all on his arms, reminding me of Seek. He's got a little thing on his belly. He's also just a black Huggy Wuggy. Let's take a look at articulation. So the head is on a ball joint, so it does spin all the way around. You can make it look side to side, up that much, down that much. Taking a look at his arms, it's the same as Kissy Missy. His arms are on ball joints, so you can get them to move all the way around like that, but then the rest of his arms are bendy wire. I will say his hands are really thick up here, so unlike Kissy Missy, you can get him into some poses, but it might just start to fall down. Both of the arms move the same way. Taking a look at his hand, it swivels and it is all a ball joint, so it moves crazy. And also the detail on his hand. He's got this claw. Pretty sick. I mean, that's what both of his hands look like, but it's damn, that's pretty cool. His legs go up that much and back that much. They are on a ball joint there, but again, very heavy down here, but they're also bendable, so you can also move them all around, just like Kissy Missy, but again, a lot heavier with these big-ass ankles. And also taking a look at his feet, he actually stands up a lot better than Kissy Missy because how big his feet are. He's got some crazy toe action going on. Look at them claws. But they move all the way around. You can move them like this. They swivel. You can pivot them. They all do that. But yeah, guys, anyways, Killy Willy does come with some accessories, so taking a look as I showed off for his hands, he does have these open kind of claw hands. These are just the hands he's had on him, but he has two other pairs of hands, so let's take a look at them. Bro, okay, I just popped one of his hands off and the peg just came out. Okay, so here are his other hands. He just kind of has these flat open hands. As you can see, there's a little bit of a difference with the other hands. These ones are more closed, kind of claw-like. These are open, like he's going to give you a nice high five. Or he's waving to you. Hello! Hello! They are really easy to get on, but again, this peg just popped out. I'm guessing, no, it didn't do it this time, but that peg just popped out. It is rubber, so it's really easy to get back in. No breakage, which is nice. But let's take a look at his other pair of hands. Yeah, just happened for the other one, too. Jeez. Okay, so that took a lot longer. This peg came out of the hand, and it was just really hard to get back in for some reason. But he also just has these fisted hands, so, you know, if he also wants to throw hands... He can do that, and you can also put something in his hand if you really want to. I don't really have, what do I have with me? Here's a Lego lightsaber. Let's see if, yeah, so if you want, he can hold stuff. Here Killy Willy is with a lightsaber. Overall, they're really fun. He's a really fun character in general, but let's also take a look. He also has one of these display pieces for the stand, and we will talk about that in a minute. But I also want to talk about, we also have BOXY BOO. This is a character from Project Playtime, and he's just in this little box. Hopefully in the future this means we'll get a full figure of him, because honestly I would have rather BOXY BOO than Killy Willy. But it's still cool we get an accessory. He's big, he doesn't, it's just a hunk of plastic, but the detail is really nice. They get the detail down on all these figures really nice. Let's take a look at him at some other figures in the line. So obviously we'll start off with his sister, I guess. We got Kissy Missy. Now she's actually on the stands because she does not stand well. But here they are together. You know what? They look fine. Huggy Wuggy's gonna look great next to her, but... And also, since she has the stand, let's actually connect Killy's stand. So we'll put it right here. There we go. Now we only need one more and we'll have all the stands, which is pretty cool. But also, let's take a look at Killy Willy next to the last figure we reviewed, the Doctor. This just looks funny because Killy Willy is just so random. Who is bro? But overall, they look great together. All these figures do scale really nice together. And I do like that he's a little bit taller than Kissy Missy. You can't really see it on camera, especially from this angle, but from where I'm looking at it, he's definitely a lot bigger, which is nice. And also, since she also is like an accessory figure, here Poppy is with Killy, and here she also is with BOXY BOO. So,
Was that the bite?
But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for my review of Killy Willy. I will say this is a really good figure. I think, like I said, all these figures are worth the $30. They are amazing. They are great detailed and just great figures in general. But if you're not a huge super fan of Killy Willy, I recommend just skipping out on him. He's such a miscellaneous and random character that for the $30 price tag, if you don't like him, don't pick it up. I really only picked him up because obviously I do these videos and I want to show you guys all these figures. But yeah, guys, I think I'd give him like an 8 out of 10. Again, he's a great figure. It's just I don't care about Killy Willy that much. But now we have the next video on these figures will be the GOAT, the last Huggy mother Wuggy.